You are watching the video of unique birds. You see so many birds. A bird which has tail more than 3 feet. It is found in America.
25 रुपया चेन दिया था, मांग रहा है, दीजिए.
It is found in America.
ये काहे ला दे रहे? 100 का नोट आप हमको लीजिए, इसको धरिए.
Such birds found in America and unique birds. How will you recognize such birds? These birds are very much common in South America. It is called long-tailed birds, and it entertains the people. Bird sanctuaries of America are packed with such birds. I think long-tailed birds will entertain you also. See these surprising bird.
बोल रहे वहाँ ज़्यादा टाइम नहीं लगेगा चाचा. अरे यार, हाँ तुमने गिरा बेटा. 1 रुपया हमको कम दिया था. हम बोले 22 हुआ, तो तुम 1 रुपया कम रखो. क्या?
And this is spoon billed bird. That's beak is like a spoon. It is also found in America. This bird is very much common in America and Argentina. These birds will entertain you. At the longer way of life, then will you visit, you will find all such things. You are looking the bird which has long yellow legs. Such birds are the gift of nature. And will entertain you. I think you will be happy to see this video.